Hey, shorty, look to your right. You're on your left. Husbando. Not him. Never mind. Weekend is gonna F anybody with if her legs are wide open. You gotta say consensually. Oh, my restless leg syndrome is back. F is it, homie. Respect my homie. Fuck you think you is? Respect my homie, dog. Say, Key, what up, dog? You got shorty. She's with her mother. If I wanted that, I'd still be calling the girl named Janet. You got a Daytona. What is that? A Triumph, right? Daytona Triumph? Yeah, Triumph. Never been a fan. Not bad. You could clean her up. He heat wrapped it. Heat wrap? Yeah. I'm not looking back. What is it? I'm not looking back. No, I'm not looking back. It wouldn't hurt to wear some gear. He's got the boots. I'm pretty sure those are Kevlar, like... Hey, you go first. Pants. More than that. I just want to stay with him. He's going a little too fast for my liking. La policia be hiding up in a hole, in a trench, trying to catch a hole. Left, right, pick a lane, homie. Why do I think he's going left? Don't make a left, just go straight, homie. Let's make a love story. Let's make a love story, baby. Lead the way, slut. Domo arigato. I can't think of a rhyme unless I'm Mr. Roberto. Oh, he stopped on a dime. Oh. Corvette. That song is ruined because of Juju. Smith Schuster. Man, they repaved so much of this and I love it. Lambo, Aventador. Pay attention to the road. But I want to see the Lambo. I'm gonna miss the Lambo. Oh, that's my homie right there, Lamborghini, man. Hit that gas. Make it pass. And clap. I thought it was a dog, but that was a hairy knee of an individual. What you thinking? I can't say it. The song No Worries says UCPUSSY right there. I hate that word, man. Shorty with the long ticks. That's it, Lamborghini man with a cap on. I haven't talked to that guy in ages. And I feel bad because he texted me and I didn't reply back. Because I just forgot about it. Then it became so long that it got awkward. Oh, I feel so bad. I feel so bad. That was that chick with the cheeks. I showed her my cheeks. I feel like I had to return the favor. I saw something of hers. She gets to see something of mine. And we keep it clean that way. But that was Lamborghini, man. You guys remember him? Love that guy. No competition at all. My #1 favorite supercar owner. Out of the hundreds that I've met, my favorite, my absolute favorite. I can't lose this guy. Are we stalking him? You could say. We ain't got no words. She bad. that as a hooker, so she ain't got no worries. She want me to eat that sugar. I said, why you in a hurry? She said, why you asking questions? I said, bitch, you trying to be funny? Now take them fucking clothes off. Let me see that Donkey Kong. Now swing that ass back and forth on that monkey bars. That can soto chushina machi. No worries, no worries. I'm just curious if he'll do it. Well, it's a red light, they don't do it. I think he's gonna do it. Oh, one of your cars smells like ass, straight ass, Lamborghini uterus. I said, why you trying to be funny? I said, take your clothes off. Let me see that Donkey Kong. Now swing your booty back and forth on my monkey bars. That bunny toe, that bunny toe. No worries, no pantyhose. That's too many curse words, man. Tushy, clean it up. Well, we gotta be honest, homie. Track gangsters, they go get the cracking. Those are buzzwords, all right? Those are buzzwords that the feds look for, and you're giving it to them. If you were homie, you would stay for me. If you were homie, you would have stayed for me. If you were homie, you would have stayed for me. I wouldn't have stayed for him though. I would have slutted it up just like he did. Hey man, say Key, what up, cuz? Say Key, what up, man, cuz? Unless you knew it was a small light, and you just wanted a break for me, and now we're back. Hand-on-hand action. Full artist. It's a full artist. What? What's the excuse of people buying stuff like that? I gotta stop cursing so much. Why are people buying garbage like that, man? It's straight ass. It's not a rich flex on anybody, man. Right hand, right knee, left hand, see the knee. Shake, make that ass just. Damn it! Missed it. Because this is my right, this is my left hand, but for the first one I couldn't take the hand off the throttle to say right hand, right knee, left hand, left knee. Make that ass shake, make that ass jet skiing way. Damn it, Drake! Ferrari. Alright, man, boy, I'm coming for you, dog. We don't turn it into a full house. Hey. Okay. Hey, okay. Seriously, homie. Okay. Where's that from? The Taxi. It's from Taxi with Jimmy Fallon and Queen Latifah and Giselle. Wild thing. You say it in there? What? Damn it. I knew that was coming, but I was thinking about Giselle. Oh, mother. Oh, salami. I forgot about the other one. Oh, my nutsicles. Man. No, Giselle, man, she used to be on something, man. I don't want to keep up with her anymore because she's old. I don't know if she's aged like fine wine or not. I'm guessing, yeah, because she's filthy rich, right? Surgery it up! Short it up! Short it up, where's that from? Date night, Marky Mark. Well, must be there, dog. That's what I thought. Keep it in line, keep it in check. Double goose too, that was a Hellcat. Don't hit me up on no dumb shit, homie. Don't hit me up on no dumb shit. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Why would you say that, Drake? Why would you mention that you haven't done your taxes? IRS gonna be on your ass. But I wonder for rich people, how does it work? Them hoes must be like, you know, in bed with the IRS, right? I'm over here getting butt slammed like a corkscrew by the IRS and them in bed with them. Sí, papi.